25 days of design chats in December. Let's go. December 23rd. All your kitchen problems solved. Next year. What part of your house most needs an update, and why is it the kitchen? Seriously, this is the part of the house that I address in just about every single master plan project. While homeowners have a lot of different needs and houses have a lot of different histories that cause us to need to work on an owner's suite or not, update a basement or not, think about an addition or not, we always work in the kitchen. The only exceptions to that rule are houses which have a recently renovated kitchen. But frankly, even then, we sometimes give them a look. And here's why. Many remodels don't address the layout challenges in a space. They only replace the finishes and fixtures. And when you do that, you preserve all of the original challenges inherent in a mid-century kitchen. You know how much I love mid-century houses, but kitchen philosophy from that time is wildly different from what we want and need out of our kitchens today. I've actually done an entire season of the Mid-Mod Remodel podcast on this, so check that out if you want to know more. But I also want to tease something that's happening in the new year. In January, I'm going to be giving a live workshop where I share all the secrets for how you can fix the layout problems in your mid-century kitchen. Because believe me, I have seen it all. From galley kitchens that are almost too small to turn around in, to large vault ceiling kitchens that are actually just too big to be comfortable in. I have a lot of problem solving, and we'll take it a little bit farther than just there are these types of kitchens. A straight line kitchen, an L-shaped kitchen, a U-shaped kitchen, or one with an island. Let's talk about the challenges that you find in your kitchen. For example, cabinets and work surfaces that all face walls. If you're lucky, you've got a kitchen sink window, but probably any other prep surface you're working at, you've got your face 10 inches from a wall-mounted cabinet and your back to anyone that's in the room with you. You've got an overhead light in the center of the room that casts a shadow with your body on whatever you're trying to get done. You have a closed-in feeling from too many wall cabinets that it's actually hard to get things out of the top of anyway. And at the same time as you feel closed in, you're in the center of traffic because most mid-century kitchens have too many doors. Mine has 4 in a very small space. So, I have floor plan solutions for these. I have elevation solutions for these. I have so many thoughts on mid-century kitchens I love to share, and I'm going to be sharing all of it in a live workshop where I walk you through examples, take you through specific reasoning, and use some of those wonderful Goldilocks, medium, small, medium, large solutions for how I've proposed possibilities for other people's kitchens. Believe me, there's one way to fix your kitchen, and there's actually more than one way to fix your kitchen. I'd love to talk about it. So this is just a little tease of what we'll be talking about come January. But right now, I'd love to hear if you have any questions. What is the biggest layout challenge of your mid-century kitchen? Share it in the comments. And start dreaming now about how you can plan changes, updates, whether they be small and surgical or grand and totally renovating to your kitchen in 2022. I'm really excited to talk about it with you.